Yo, so we are finally here. I tried to get this last time. I was in Colombia when I stayed in Laureles. Now that I'm in El Poblado, we are hitting Sweet Georgia Cafe. So we got the homie from Brazil with us. It's the homie. And he has never had American soul food ever in his life.
Really Colombian soul.
Or Colombian soul food. So he's about to have an experience.
Chicken and waffles? Or you can do chicken and waffles. Or you can do whatever, bro.
So we are at Sweet Georgia. I've got Junior here with me. He's from Brazil. He's never had soul food before. So I'm excited to get him to, see what he likes.
This is semi-normal breakfast for America. Huh? This is normal.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is your breakfast.
No, this isn't chicken. This is dinner.
Dinner, lunch. We eat this.
Never.
No.
Like
you very like for
If me personally,
one for you really like.
oh me.
Oh, what do you really like?
Oh, right here.
He's going here.
Oxtails, mac and cheese, and collard greens.
Oh.
Yeah, that's a good choice.
That? Or you want to get chicken and waffles? This what I'm getting. You want chicken and waffles?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or chicken and waffles or this?
Waffle, fried chicken breast, eggs, bacon, sausage.
That's what you want, Big Mama?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, that looks good. That looks good, buddy.
I know I'm over there looking at it too now.
Right? Now I'm over here like, what's the rest of
I don't
it?
know if the oxtails go smack though, bro. I get chicken and waffles anyway.
Right.
Oxtails.
Can't get oxtail everywhere. Not every day.
I kind of want a waffle on the side.
Okay, hold on. So you know how we got the American breakfast? They have the Colombian.
I'm not seeing that shit.
That's dope. Arepa bread, eggs, curd cheese. So that's what that's called, curd cheese.
What it is arepa?
Arepa. Remember the small corn? Arepa.
He said the property cost $170,000.
U.S.
Make sure you don't put no count.
All right. So I think everybody knows what they're going to get. Actually, what's the rest of the menu look like? Oh snap! They got grits. All fried fish.
Mango strawberry juice.
Oh damn! They got a vegan burger. Oh shit, they got shrimp and grits.
I'm allergic, that's all you do.
Yeah, you can handle shrimps. Is it just shrimp or is it all seafood?
Shrimp mostly.
Yeah.
And then can I add a waffle?
Waffle?
A side waffle?
The side?
Yeah.
Regular?
Yes, please. And I will do the mango strawberry juice, natural juice. You want orange juice or you want another juice? Here, take the big mama.
Big Mama? Waffles or pancakes?
Waffle?
Yeah. Yeah.
Los scrambled egg or fried?
Scrambled or fried?
How do you like your eggs cooked? Fried.
Fried. Orange juice? Orange juice?
Yes. Orange juice? Cool. Okay. And grilled salmon.
You got the grilled salmon.
Yeah.
Over the oxtail.
Over the oxtail,
We
man.
can make grilled salmon at the house. You can't make oxtails at the house. But go ahead, 'cause I might want a piece. I
you
got
go.
collard greens
Yeah.
and mac and cheese.
I'm going candy
I want
yams.
to taste the yams.
I'm going candy yams and sweet plantain.
I'm highly
Sweet
disappointed.
Candy yams and sweet plantain.
How you said?
Plátano. Plantain in American, plátano, most translation.
español?
Poquito. And here we go. Bingo.
Mango?
What to do with the food?
Is y'all good?
This shit gonna change his life.
I use for
Yeah, because I had to have try some candy yams.
Yeah, we're gonna
I had to have try the candy yams. You know what I'm talking about?
The mac and cheese and the oxtail is really. I got the collard greens. We're gonna let him try.
Oh yeah, you got it. You gonna have a good meal.
All right.
Oxtail.
I gotta get this boy the reaction.
You see this?
And then
So we got him the chicken waffle. 3.
That's right.
All the rest of the food starting to come out. So now you know what I'm saying, we got to get hold on, let's see. So Junior got the fried egg, the chicken with the waffle.
You?
Now this?
No. You?
Syrup?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
A little.
Poquito syrup over it.
No. Watch this. I got you.
Ah.
Mac and cheese is so hot.
Okay. Thank you.
There you go. A little on the side.
Oh, got the plantain. Okay, so we got mac and cheese, we got green,
Hold on.
we got candy yams,
What is this?
grilled salmon. Look at that. Ooh.
Look at this face.
Look at him.
Very good.
See? He's so happy. He's so happy.
Hey, when you get to America, we're gonna have fun.
No, you gotta try this next. The candy yams. Try the candy yams. Please try the candy yams. He's say.
Apple.
No, sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Wow. Same person.
Cinnamon, butter, yeah. Ooh.
This banana.
Plátano.
Plantain. Same banana.
Yeah, same banana. Yeah. Same banana for you.
Wow.
Big boy.
This is really
I
good.
told you.
Big
Yeah.
boy.
Let me see how you like it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get his reaction.
I really like for this.
My mom can recall as my mother.
Yeah.
Thanksgiving.
Get his first bite reaction. Look, he's milking the chair. Junior's first time having soul food. Now put the syrup.
Yeah, up to you, no? Or put it on the side. So boom, 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 boom. No. You. Try that. So they pick that shit up.
Shit, the oxtail.
I go for America. I love America. This is really very good. Oh.
glad we got his reaction. That, hell yeah.
Eu fiquei na dúvida pra colocar o xarope por cima do ovo, do leite, de tudo.
But this grilled salmon right here though, this grilled salmon. Y'all.
So put it on the side. So boom, boom. I ain't tasted greens yet.
This salmon over here smacking.
I cooked salmon so much here.
Oh yeah?
I asked for a waffle on the side too.
Okay.
I need some sweet.
Yeah, you don't need that waffle.
Ready? Eu vou pra América com você.
He goes, I'm not going to live in Brazil anymore. I'm just going to come back.
No, I go in America for years.
See how big me and John is.
John speak for me, but no living more in America.
Yeah, he everywhere.
Yeah. Friends for almost friends. Aparentemente, same. So,
Texture?
you're eating, texture, no same.
No same?
Really different. It's very common you go for market for this freezing. Yeah.
Mac and cheese is good.
Mac and cheese is normal in Brazil.
Okay.
But other type of for noodles.
Greens, yeah, noodles.
Other type for noodles. So mac and cheese is same better.
Because I know they got it in every country, their own version of it.
Yeah. Everybody's got a version of mac. Man.